What's up, guys? Happy Friday. Good morning. I just wanted to jump on here real quick to give you just a little update. So, I was looking at the calendar and I realized it's been a year since I had to quit my job as a teacher. And I was just reflecting on that because I was looking at things that I've accomplished since leaving that job in a year, right? And just looking back, it was just like, who knew, you will be able to accomplish so much, right? So the verse that I was, focused on today was 2 Corinthians 8:12. And it says, for if the willingness is there, the gift is acceptable according to what one has, not according to what one does not have. So it made me think about what my gifts are, right? Your gifts that you have are not for you. They're for you to share with others, to inspire others, and keep others on their path, right? So early in the week, remember when I was telling you guys, we're all connected in some way, whether we know it or not, we're all connected. And I think social media is one of those platforms that's making it more, just making it more clear to us and showing us that even though we haven't physically crossed paths yet, in some way, shape, or form, we will. Especially if you're connecting to people and you got new followers and stuff, and you just feel drawn to these people's pages and whatever. You never know what the future will hold, right? You could be on vacation and then run into somebody and be like, yo, I seen you on, the app or blah, blah, blah. But I started thinking about, in the beginning when God told me yo, you need to quit this teaching job, I was like, no, I can't do that, God. I need this teaching job. This is how I feed my family. I just got this divorce. Lord, I just got divorced. I don't have no income. How can I feed my family? I had all of these worries, all this pushback when God told me to do something. But then when I actually did it and I look back I've accomplished so much for myself, for my business, in this last year than I ever would have dreamed of, or if I would have been working my regular, teaching position. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is to a lot of y'all can't move forward because you're stuck in the past, or you're stuck not doing what God told you to do. I'm not telling you to go out and quit your job now, but what I'm saying is you need to be in constant communication so that you know what you're supposed to be doing, what you're supposed to be saying, who you're supposed to be reaching. All right. Once again, we're all connected, and somebody somewhere is waiting for you to step into your greatness so that they can fulfill what they need to do, because we're all connected. All right. It's all part of a bigger plan.